Have you ever just seen anything around your house and got tired of it and wanted to do something new with it? That's what we're doing today. So this candle holder, I wanted to do something new. I wanted to take this candle holder and make it my very own. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist off these candle holders from off of the stand. And this should look exactly like this when you have got it done. Now, the second thing that we're going to do, we're going to line up at least 4 mirror candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Once you have all of your mirrors laid out straight, you want to make sure that they're very straight and even. The reason why is because we're going to place some duct tape on the top, not the bottom. Now make sure that it has no lumps or bumps in it, because my friends, we do not want this Dollar Tree DIY to be in vain. So make sure it's straight across. Now we're going to place E6000 on the top, duct tape right here on the bottom, and then we're going to turn it over and let it adhere for 24 hours using E6000. This is how it should look when you have everything even out. Now later in the video, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this part. For the legs for our design, we're going to use the 2-pack candle holders that come from Dollar Tree, and we're going to place it right between where the mirrors meet. Before we go any further, I have to clean my mirrors off, everyone, because it is too many smudges on here. So I'm using some rubbing alcohol to clean it up. My favorite part, we are getting ready to add some sparkle to our design. Now I want you to check out that iCard if you're new on the way that I do designs like this when I'm using my brooches. So we added the E6000 to the inside of our brooch, and now we're going to place the hot glue on there to speed up the design. Make sure your glue gun is not touching the E6000. Now we're going to center our candle holder right there. Now friends, I want you to know something. Do not press down on this DIY using books, because you want the candle holders under the bottom to adhere for at least 24 hours. Okay, there I go, friends. I am cleaning it off again with some rubbing alcohol. It's just anytime that I start to see some smudges, your girl go to cleaning it off, so just excuse me. Now friends, remember we talked about this part towards the beginning of the video. We're going to be taking these towels and going around the perimeter of it, but I do want you to know something. You can use the tea light candle holders from Dollar Tree, still place the brooch on there, and it can still look beautiful. These mirror towels come with a self-adhesive, so you do not have to use E6000 or hot glue. However, you can if you want to, but make sure that you do measure it before you place it on. I do apologize for being so close to the camera. However, I want you to see how the towel just goes on so smooth and so easy. I did not have to use E6000 or hot glue. I truly love flowers. So this is the flower that I chose. It's not from Dollar Tree, but I did dazzle it up a little bit. And I added some more brooches on there. I did my double stack. You can check that video out right there on how I do it. So you all let me know what you all think about this design that we did today. And as always, I appreciate each and every last one of you. Have a lovely and blessed weekend. And guess what? God willing, we will see you in the next one.